In this video, we will be creating a digital portfolio using Google Sites as our platform. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to go to sites.google.com and make sure that you are signed in to your Wake County email. All right, with that being said, once you've completed that task, you're going to come over here to this orange button and you're going to press Create. You're going to have all of these options before you. The first thing you're going to do is select a blank template, and then you are going to name your site. You are going to name it your first and last name, and then Digital Portfolio. Oops, we do need to add our apostrophe S because this is possessive. Please notice that my words have spaces in between them, and they have capital letters. Don't worry about the site location, that changes on its own. You are then going to come and select a theme that you feel best meets your personality. So I think that I am going to do the branches. I like the branches. All right. Once you have selected that, you can go ahead and create. Now, it is important to note, once you have selected your theme, you cannot go back and edit. Okay. All right, this one looks like it is already used, so I'm going to just simply change it really quick. So just don't mind what I'm doing right now. This is because I've created a couple sites today. All right. So when you press Create Site, remember you cannot go back and change your theme. So be sure when you select your theme the first time. All right, so you're going to be prompted with this page right here. As of right now, you cannot edit anything. In order to edit, you are going to have to come over here and press the button that looks like a pen. If you go over it, it'll say Edit Page. So the very first step you're going to do is press Edit Page. You're going to change Home to Welcome. And then in this box right here, you are going to share about yourself. So hi or hello, welcome to my digital portfolio. And then you can continue to give a little bit about yourself. I enjoy playing music, dancing, jumping on tables. Just kidding. Don't include that right there. And drawing. Okay, so this is where you can kind of tell a little bit about yourself. Now, this is where you're going to, once you've finished what you want to do, you can come up here and press Save. That is going to save that page. So once again, we're at this page where we can't edit. We're now ready to add and actually build our site. So we're going to come over here to where it says Create Page. You're going to title your page. The first page you are going to title is going to be the grade that you are currently in. So if you were in 6th grade, this would say 6th grade. If you're in 7th grade, 7th grade. 8th grade, 8th grade. So title your page. Then you're going to come down to here to where you have a drop-down menu. You are not going to leave it as a web page. You are going to change it to announcements. That is very important, and you'll see why here soon. It is going to ask you where you want to put it, and you are going to want to put this page at the top level. Right? Create. Boom, you have your first page. Okay, but we're not done yet. We want to go ahead and add another page. Now, this is where we are going to create a page for every subject that you are currently taking. So if you are currently taking mathematics, which you all are, you're going to title that mathematics, and we are going to do it announcements. Now, this is the part that is you're going to need to pay attention to again. Okay, announcements, but then select a location. Because this is a class I am taking in 7th grade, I'm going to put it under the 7th grade tab. Create. All right, and there we go. See, mathematics should be under 7th grade. All right, so we're going to add a new page for every subject that you're taking. Announcements. But this time, I'm going to want to put it under 7th grade. So it's automatically going to think you want to put it under mathematics, but you do not. Create. Boom, science has been added. I'm going to show you one more time. We're going to do visual arts, announcements. We're going to choose a different location, put under 7th grade, and then create. All right, so basically the reason that you did the announcements is because this is going to set it up like a blog, which is going to allow us when we edit to do so chronologically and a little bit easier. So we're going to go to New Post. If I wanted to add something to my visual arts portfolio, I would add a new post. And if I might be adding a still life, so I would title it Still Life. I would probably also put the date. So today is the 25th, 2016. I would always put the title of my piece, date completed, and then we're going to go to Insert, Image, Upload Image, Photos. Okay, obviously I don't have my still life here, but we see wonderful pictures of my niece. We're going to go ahead and just upload a picture of the beautiful outdoors. So letting that upload. Do, 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 do. It is my expectation that you add this stuff frequently to your portfolio. All right. So I don't know why this picture is turned. It needs to be rotated. Let's see here. All right, we'll rotate it later. But I do want you to title your piece, date completed, picture of your piece, and then a brief reflection on the piece's purpose and how you created the piece. Okay, so every single blog post will have the title of the piece, the date completed, and a brief reflection on the pieces, on the artwork's purpose and how you created the artwork. All right, so when you're done, now you might not get to finish all at one sitting, so you can always go up and do Save Draft. If you click Save Draft, oh, we're moving kind of slow today. If you click Saved Draft, you can still see the post, but nobody else can. Okay, so I can go back. I can click on my post. Whoops, will it let me? It'll tell me, so I can click on the class. It'll tell me your draft post. I can click on it. Okay, and then I can go up here to save. It will publish my post so that anybody that is going to view my site can now see my post and what I have stated. All right? Pretty basic. Everything else does function still as Google. So if things come up, we can address them then. But good luck building your digital portfolio, and I can't wait for you to share it with both parents and future people. All right. Good luck.